To troubleshoot Best Egg versus LendingClub. Start by understanding the basics of both platforms. Best Egg and LendingClub are two popular online lending platforms that offer personal loans to individuals. Best Egg is known for its fast funding and low interest rates, while LendingClub is recognized for its wide range of loan options and investor-backed model. First, identify the issue you are experiencing. Whether it is with the application process, loan terms, or repayment, check the eligibility criteria for both platforms, including credit score requirements, income thresholds, and debt-to-income ratios. Ensure you meet the minimum requirements for both Best Egg and LendingClub. Next, compare the interest rates and fees associated with each platform. Best Egg offers interest rates ranging from 5.99% to 29.99%, while LendingClub ranges from 6.95% to 35.89%. Consider the origination fees, late payment fees, and other charges that may apply. Review the loan terms and repayment options for both platforms. Best Egg offers loan terms of 3 to 5 years, while LendingClub offers terms of 3 to 5 years. Check the repayment schedules, including the frequency of payments and the total amount paid over the life of the loan. If you are experiencing issues with the application process, check the required documentation, including identification, income verification, and bank statements. Ensure you have all necessary documents ready and uploaded to the respective platforms. To resolve issues with loan approval, check your credit report for errors or negative marks. Consider improving your credit score by paying off debt, reducing credit utilization, and making on-time payments. You can also consider adding a co-signer or co-borrower to your application. For repayment issues, review your loan agreement and repayment schedule. Consider setting up automatic payments or biweekly payments to reduce the principal balance and interest paid over time. You can also explore debt consolidation or refinancing options if you are struggling to make payments. Finally, evaluate the customer support and service offered by both platforms. Check the availability of customer support, including phone, email, and online chat. Read reviews and testimonials from existing customers to gauge the level of satisfaction with each platform. By following these steps and considering these key factors, you can effectively troubleshoot and compare Best Egg and LendingClub to make an informed decision about which platform is best for your personal loan needs. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions, interest rates, and fees associated with each platform to ensure you are getting the best possible deal.